Sundowner's Charter SE 2-horse bumper pull, an all-aluminum trailer with integrated aluminum floors, collapsible interior, 7'6" tall, super for warm blood horses. Easy lift, easy load, ramp, toggles for outdoor lights as well as indoor lights. Sundowner produces this trailer with electric brakes on all four, a rubber torsion rod booted axle for a smoother and quieter ride, full running boards. The attention to detail on all the Sundowner trailers is great, but on these here, fit and finish and attention to quality is unsurpassed. All of the windows slide, which gives more ventilation for your horses. It starts at the very front and goes all the way back to the apron doors in the very back of the trailer. Other standard features on the Charter SE 2-horse bumper pull is tread plate covered tongue, a 2 5/16 strong ball on the front, full-size running boards as we mentioned earlier. The dressing room is very, very roomy. Brush tray on the door. The rigidity of the doors in Sundowner, they make all their own doors. Super strong, super sturdy. The interior here, there's a pass-through window from the dressing room area into the horse compartment. Aluminum blanket bars, 2-stack saddle rack, standard full-size spare tire and wheel. These windows here, as we mentioned earlier, they open to increase ventilation. Then it also comes through right here. Side access doors on both sides of these trailers are standard for easy in, easy out. For your 2-horse transportation, it's hard to beat the Sundowner Charter SE.